Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss chapter 4 from NCERT, simple equations. In simple equation, exercise 4.1, first question we will see. Here is equation will be given and there is asking find the value of x, find the value of y. Clear? First question is complete the last column of the table. In exercise 4.1, first is column is given. Clear? Serial number, equation value, say whether the equation is satisfied. First we are taking in exercise 4.1 NCERT. Clear? First one, x plus 3 equal to 0 if x equal to 3. Here is asking x plus 3 equal to 0 if x equal to 3, means if in this equation you will put the value of x, you will get 0 or not. Solution is left hand side x plus 3. X equal to 3 is given. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Left hand side is coming 6 and right hand side is 0. Clear? Means left hand side not equal to right hand side. Means this answer is not satisfied. Answer is no. Answer is no. Note down this. Second one is also x plus 3 equal to 0, then if x equal to 0. So you can do this. Third part, x plus 3 equal to 0 if x equal to minus 3. If x equal to minus 3. Left hand side, clear? X plus 3, clear? If you will take x equal to minus 3 plus 3, minus plus minus, 3 minus 3, 0. And here is right hand side is also 0. Clear? Means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Clear? Then answer is yes. Okay? If left hand side equal to right hand side, answer is yes. Left hand side not equal to right hand side, answer is no. Clear? In first question all the part you will do this. Second question, check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution to the given equation or not. Clear? n plus 5 equal to 90. Clear? If n equal to 1. Clear? So if you will put the value of n in left hand side, you will get 6 and here is right hand side equal to 90. Clear? Means left hand side 6, right hand side 90. Both are not equal. Means here you can write left hand side not equal to right hand side. Answer is not. Second way you can do like that. Second D I am telling you. 4p minus 3 equal to 13. In left hand side put the value of p. 4 into 1 minus 3. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Clear? And right hand side what? 13. Right hand side is 13. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side, means it is not. Question number 3. Solve the following equations by trial and error method. Five 5p plus 2 equal to 17. Trial and error method means you will make column like this. it is left hand side, left hand side, right hand side, and here is variable, whatever variable p is given. Clear? 5p plus 2 is given left hand side. Here is 17. Means in place of p which number you will take, after that you will do solution, then you will get 17. Means p place which number you will take, you will think it. Clear? So if you will take p equal to 3, 5 into 3 plus 2, then 17. 5 3 is 15 plus 2 17. Clear? You trial and error method means you will make a column. Here you will add variable, whatever variable p, x, y, whatever is given. Here is left hand side, here is right hand side. Clear? In left hand side 5p plus 2 is given, right hand side 17 is given. You will write here, and p place you will think which number you will take, then you will get right hand side. In second one 4 is given. Clear? 3m minus 14 means second equation is given 3m minus 14 equal to 4. Means here in second one which variable is given? M. Here is 3m minus 14. Here is means in m place which number you will take? M equal to 6. 3 into 6 minus 14. 18 minus 14 equal to 4. Clear? So in place of m 6 we have taken. The first one is this, second one is this. Clear? Trial and error method you will do like this. Clear? Note down. Question number 4. Write the equations for the following statements. So in 4 first is given the sum of numbers 4 and 9, 4 and x is 9. Statement is the sum of numbers 4 and x. Solution is only equation is required. Means 4 plus x equal to 9. Sum means plus sum of these variable and constant. Each means equal to 9. Clear? 4 plus x equal to 9. In second one, subtract from y is 8. Subtract you can do. Clear? The third one, 10 times a is 70. Times means multiply. In mathematics, times means multiply. 10 into a is means equal to 70. 10a equal to 70. It is a answer. 6 1 7 times 7 times m plus gets 7 gets to 77. Clear? 7 times m plus 7 gets you 7. 7 times m means 7m plus means plus 7 equal to 77. It is a equation. This equation is required. Clear? In fourth rest part you can do like this. Only equation you will write. Don't solution you will do. In fifth one, write the following equation in statement form. Means in fifth one, equation is given, write in, means in this form is given, asking in statement form. Means 4 and 5 opposite. 4 you will do like 5, 5 you will do like 4. Fifth one, p plus 4 equal to 15. Clear? So here we will write the sum of numbers P and 4 is 15. Clear? The sum of number P and 4 is 15. Clear? Note down. 5 part. 3m by 5 equal to 6. So we can write here 3/5 half m is 6. Clear? Note down. This exercise is complete. 6 number question you can do. Only equation is asking. 6 first part I am telling you. Irfan said that he has 7 marble, more than 5 times. The marble Prameet Irfan has 37 marble. Clear? This is very simple question. Let the number of Prameet marbles is m. Clear? According to questions, 5m plus 7 equal to 37. Clear? Means Irfan says that he has 7 marble, more than 5 times the marble Prameet. The marble Prameet is m, means 5 times means 5m. 5m plus 7 is 37. Only equation is required, not solution. Rest you can do. Note down. Exercise 4.2. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Clear? Here is equation is given, asking in variable place which number you will take. In this equation is asking in x place which number you will take. Then you will get 0. Means left hand side x minus 1, right hand side 0. Clear? Left hand side x minus 1. Clear? X place if we will take 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Clear? Suppose that RHS equal to also 0. It is a first method. Suppose that you are not knowing x place which number you will take. You can't think about that. You can solve this equation. You can solve x minus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to 0 plus 1, x equal to 1. Means from here you can know x place which number you will take. S equal to 1. You can do this rough one. Clear? For about knowing which number you will take x place. X minus 1 equal to 0, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Clear? Note down this. X plus 1 is equal to 0, b1. X minus 1 equal to 5, d1. First d. X plus 6 equal to 2. Clear? Left hand side is x plus 6. Clear? Right hand side 2. Clear? X plus 6 equal to 2. To which number you will take x place? Suppose that you are not knowing, you can find x plus 6 equal to 2, then x equal to 2 minus 6, x equal to minus 4. Means if x place you will take minus 4, then you will get 2. Clear? Then left hand side equal to right hand side. Clear? You can find from here. Note down this. You can do rest question like this. Question number 2. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. 3l equal to 42. Second one. 3l equal to 42. Here same like question number 1. You think L place which number you will take. Clear? Suppose that you are not knowing, you can do like this. L equal to 42 by 3. 3 1 3, 3 4 12 means 14. Clear? The 3L equal to 42 means 3 into 14 equal to 42. 42 equal to 40. Means L place which number you will take? 14. How you will know? You will find from this. You can know that 3L equal to 42, then divide by 3. Note down this. C1 P by 7 equal to 4. Clear? P equal to 4 into 7 means 20. P equal to 28. P equal to 28. P by 7 equal to 4 means 28 by 7. 7 4 ja 4 equal to 4. Clear? Note down. Question number 3rd is 3n minus 2 equal to 46. Clear? Solve it. 3n equal to 46 plus 2. 3n equal to 48. Then n equal to 48 by 3. 16. N equal to 16. Clear? Note down this. Third C, 20p by 3 by 3 equal to 40. 20p equal to 40 into 3. Then p equal to 40 into 3 by 20. Clear? 22 ja 40. Then p equal to 2 into 3. P equal to 6. Clear? P equal to 6. Means in 4.2 exercise, this type equation is given and there is asking first, second, third question. In variable place which number you will take. Clear? 20p by 3 equal to 40. Put the value 20 into 6 by 3. 3 2 ja 6, 22 ja 40. 40 equal to 40. Clear? Like this you can do. Last question number 4. Solve the following equation. There is asking find the value of x. Question number 4. 4a. 10p equal to 100. 10p equal to 100. Find the value of p. P equal to 100 by 10. 10 10 ja p equal to 10. It is the value of p. B1 10p plus 10 equal to 100. Then you can write 10p equal to 100 minus 10. Then 10p equal to 90. Clear? Then p equal to 90 by 10. 10 9 ja 90. Then p equal to 9. Clear? 10p plus 10 equal to 100. 10p equal to 100 minus 10. Then 10p equal to 90. P equal to 90 by 10. Here is multiply. There you will do transposition. Clear? Upon change in divide. 90 by 10. 10 9 ja 90. Note down this. Third E. Sorry, 4e. 3p by 4 equal to 6. Clear? Cross multiply. 3p equal to 6 into 4. Then p equal to 6 into 4 by 3. 3 2 ja 6. Then p equal to 2 into 4. P equal to 2 4 ja 8. 2 4 ja 8. Clear? 3p by 4 equal to 6. Cross multiply. 3p equal to 6 into 4. Clear? Then p equal to 6 into 4 by 3. 3 2 जा 6, p equal to 2 into 4 means 2 4 जा 8, 4h 4h is given, 3s equal to 0, then s equal to 0 by 3, s equal to 0. Clear? 3 divided by 0 equal to 0. Clear? J1, it is the last one. 2q minus 6 equal to 0. Clear? Find the value of q. 2q equal to 0 minus 6, there you will not change in plus 6. Then 2q equal to 6 plus 0 equal to 6. q equal to 6 by 2. Clear? 2 3 is 6. Then q equal to 3. Clear? Note down this. And rest of the question you can do. Clear? Thank you, student.